The Goodwills in Southeast Wisconsin are 20% off home decor this week. Hustle on in. This big bunny was pretty cute, but when I looked at the price, it was $39.99 at the Goodwill. Isn't that kind of crazy? My kids used to watch Miffy when they were little, so I put this in the cart for a while, but I put it back because it was pretty dirty and I didn't need it. This artwork completely matches a dresser I just picked up right before this trip. I'm planning to repaint the dresser, but I think I'm going to keep it in that same color family. This is a metal baseball player. I had to get this. I'm going to put it in my kid area. We need to clean it up a little bit, but wouldn't it be cool for a kid? I had 2 kids in Little League for years, and they would have loved this. These boxes are kind of like trunks, actually, but they're pretty cool. So one was 7 and one was 5, and they were each 20% off, so I grabbed them. See how good they look with the flowers I bought a few days earlier? I love it. I also gave them an update using some dark wax from DIY, and that just really cleaned them up and made them look really, really rich. This ginormous Santa mug will be great with a Christmas tree in it. This little deer was super cute. He was $3.99. I wish they would have had another one. And the tag says it was from a gift shop and it was $34.99. I thought that was a lot. I love peanuts for Christmas, but I don't need any glasses, and they were kind of worn out. These blingy sequin nutcrackers were only $3, but they were really kind of cheap looking, so I left them. He was kind of cute, but broken, too hard to fix. I have this Sleeping Santa, so if anybody wants to be like Rustic Rehabs, you can go get the Sleeping Santa. He breathes and snores. It's really cute. So many different candles. Oh my gosh. He was cute, but he wasn't $7 cute, so back he goes. For $1.99, 20% off. This will be great with a tree in it for Christmas. You gotta stock up when you find it. These bunnies were cute, but kind of felt cheap, so we left them. These little baubles were really cute. One's a bee and one's like a moth or butterfly, and one of them is headed out of state, bought by a customer, so thank you. And I love this butterfly kind of angel. I don't buy a ton of this stuff, but she was really pretty and springy. She was like $3. This needs a serious makeover. I'm gonna have to get the heat gun after it to get that hot glue off. And look at this creepy troll thing. It honestly just gave me the willies watching this. Always grab a little bird for $1 or $2. But I did pass on the little bird cage. I just didn't feel it. You can find these finds and others at rusticrehabs.com or come into my shop. We spent about $30 on this trip this time. Get yourself to Goodwill this week before it expires, the 20%. Take care. See you soon.